Hi, this is Sean with Ed Morse Brandon Auto Mall and Ed Morse Cadillac in Brandon, located in Tampa Bay, Florida. Check out this new arrival, 2009 Cadillac Escalade EXT. No longer in production, one of the most sought-after vehicles on the planet right now. This particular one is an ultra luxury collection, so it has the 22-inch chrome wheels, power sliding sunroof, heated and cooled seats, and it has the magnetic ride control, same you'll find in the Corvette and even in the new Escalades. Has the intellibeam headlamps. It also has the power assist running boards, so when you open the door, you go down. On the door here, you'll notice everything looks intact. There's no cracks, no sticky buttons. Premium leather. Got the heated steering wheel controls. This vehicle does have 127,000 miles. There are no lights on, no check engine lights. It was just traded in last evening, so it is going to go through service. Here's your heated and ventilated seats. You can purchase a DVD audio navigation disc, probably on or through our parts department or on eBay, wherever you can find it. It goes right in there. Power sliding sunroof. In the rear, you've got controls here. You can plug in accessory, charging. It's been well kept. You can take down the rear window here with those clasps. Walk around the back, you'll check out the top. It's a hard tonneau cover. Does have the tow package, rear camera. Lots of room. It is available for sale. 2009 Cadillac Escalade EXT Ultra Luxury Collection. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, Car Guru Online. And if you like the video, make sure you click like. It is, again, it is available for sale. You can reach me at 813-520-3399.